Alright, so we're gonna be unboxing this package here. This is a pretty cool package. Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Got this for a pretty good price, but yeah, I guess you can't tell from the packaging how bad it is, or how what quality it is. But this might be a good package. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up. Hang on. Okay. Just a screenshot. Yeah, there's the package. Okay. Just a confirmation. Boom. Whoa. Okay. This might give you an idea now. This is so cool, looking at it in person. Let me get this out of the way first. Look at this. I can't really get it on my camera, but look at that. Look at that. So, maybe you guys know what it is by now. But, oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, they're big. They're way big for what I was expecting them to be. Here we go. That's awesome. I don't think they've even been opened out of the bag yet. Oh, let's open it. Oh, I just tore the bag. Great. Boom. Look at these bad boys. They still have the tag on and everything. Crocs. The gibbets. Wow. Look at these bad boys. I haven't had Crocs in a while. So, yeah, I haven't had, like, yeah, you know what I mean. But, wow. Look at these. Look at the gibbets. I will not be wearing these. They're very cool. I will not be wearing them. And they're size 12. So, yeah, wonderful. I got a great deal on them. Wow. That's really all I have to say. Thank you for watching, I suppose. And yeah.